Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, we will learn to create various dashboards on Grafana for our Postgres database, which is running on our Docker containers. So you can see on the screen that I have created three dashboards here. So one which is for employee table row count. Second one is showing you the usernames inside the users table, and the third one is a population of our Indian states. You can see, right? So let me show you. So currently we are running our Postgres database on Docker container as well as the Grafana which is running on the Docker container. So ports are also exposes which is 3000. The Grafana is running on and 5032 which is for Postgres database. So this is all about the Postgres, and let me show you that inside the PG admin we have login to the Docker container holding Postgres database. So we can execute these queries. So you can see, right? So these are the states of our India, uh, along with its with their populations in crores. Okay, so the unit of population is in crore. So this is all about the database in itself. So let's start with creating the database related dashboard on our Grafana, right? So first of all, I will remove this. Okay, remove one by one, and then we will create it, right? Okay, done. So save the dashboard. Done. Okay, so let me show you that inside the connection what we are doing. So either you can choose one of them. If you are setting the new connection for the database, you can click on this add new connection. Otherwise, if already the connection is already configured on the Grafana, so you can choose this. So I have chosen the second one option, which is data sources. Okay, because I already set up the database for the Postgres. So you can see this is the host URL Postgres and the port itself. The database we are connecting with is PuneDB. The username is Postgres, and I already configured the password. And for this testing and experimenting purpose, I have selected disable because right now we don't want to configure TLS and SSL. Okay, connection in transit mode. So that's it. Rest we can leave as it is. Okay, so after doing all this configuration, just make sure that you save and test this connection. Okay, so we are good with the connection. Otherwise we have to debug what and troubleshoot what is the connection issue is coming. So right now we are good with this, right? So I will click on this build a dashboard for this database, right? So you can see here something like this will come up on the screen, and either you can add the variables or uh, create a panel. Okay, so for this tutorial we will go with the panel. So here you can see this is the new panel. So what we will do, we'll configure a visualization, right? So we'll have something like this. So you can see data set is there, right? Data set is there. Select the table, right? Table is there. So click on employee and then choose the ID. Okay, and choose count also. So basically what we are doing here, so we want to count the total number of employees. Okay, yeah, and then run the query. So something like this will come up, right? So we will choose this. We will give the title of this panel as employee table count. Hmm. And make the dashboard background as transparent. Okay, Done. Then back to the dashboard. Okay, so we will have something like this, right? So employee table with the count of rows is there, right? So this is how we can create it. Now we can add a new panel, and let's see. Now we will select the users table, and here we will select a username. Okay, so something like this will come. You will have the preview of the query that will going to be run on this. Then what we will do, we will run this, right? We'll run this, and the title of the panel should be username, right? Change, then gauge all values. Again, let's experiment with the others table. Transparent, we okay, let it be. Then check for pie chart, all values, and change. So nothing is working. We will go with the mm, table itself. So table is good, right? So table type of visualization is good. Now everything is fine. What we will do, we will save this. Okay, save and go back to the dashboard. So after creating this user's username, we will have something like this, right? Users, here also employee, layout, custom, change layout, standard. Okay, so guys, this is how we can create dashboards. Now finally we will create a new dashboard panel for a new table, which is state population. So it will have better population in crores, right? You can see this is, and now I will add another operation here. So we will choose state names as well, right? So you can see the SQL query will added have added the population in crores as well as state name here, right? So now after doing this all, we will get back to this. So you can see we will have something like this. So this is a pie chart with the population of Indian states. So this is how we can do it, right? Otherwise this is also good. So this is how, guys, a donut or pie is better. So this is how we can create it. So hope guys you like this video. Now just we will save this panel. Now go back to the dashboard, and we will have three types of panels, right? So this is the first one is for employee table, second one is username from the users table, and third one, okay, we will change the name state Indian state populations, right? Save it, save it, right? So this is how we can do it, right guys? So hope guys this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.